Well, today happened. It was not a great day in a lot of ways. Um, just yeah, it just wasn't great. Um, and there are things about it that were really good. Um, I got to make posters and give a funny speech that were a lot of fun for me. Um, but I just I don't know. I feel like I'd been growing really close with a lot of the people on set, and today definitely made me feel like that wasn't the case. Um, yeah, it was unfortunate, but it is what it is. I we moved past. There was a vote today, um, and things just didn't go the way that I expected. Um, and so I think I'm just a little sad about that, but all things considered, someone who I think definitely deserved to win the vote won. So was happy with the way that went. Yeah, I have today is Tuesday. Fly back on Friday. I think this goes up on Wednesday. So by the time this goes up, there will basically just be like 2 days left of me being gone. And I'm so excited to go back home. I miss Taylor and Lily so fucking much. It's crazy. And I'm just excited to be back with my people, with my friends, with my family. Christmas. Just, yeah, dude. I don't know. LA's been fun.